Hello, I am Arjun Grace. I am going to present topic on testing of pipes. A pipe test, also known as pressure head, is a vital procedure used to verify the structural integrity and leak tightness in pipe systems. It ensures pipes, whether for plumbing, gas, or industrial use, can safely withdraw the operational pressure without failing. A pipe test is more important because of the to prevent the leakages as well as the pressure, because the pipe is getting leaked means the input while we entering in the pipe, the input may be water, pressure, or gases. It may not be fully transferred from output. Sometimes it may get leakages, so we have to test the pipes to prevent the leakages as well as the proper movement of the gas as well as water. Types of pipes and testing methods. Hydrostatic testings. The common methods: the pipe is completely filled with water, blood of air, and all trapped air, and pressure to a specific point, typically 1.5 times, and operating pressure. The pressure is monitored for a specific hold time, example 2 hours, to identify drops that indicate a leak. Because there is different methods to check the pipe leakages. So one is hydrostatic testing. Hydrostatic is a common method, so we can use to check the pipe to prevent the leakages, but it takes 2 hours to identify drops and indicate the leak. So it is one of the methods to avoid the leakages in the pipes. Air pneumatic testing, used primarily when water cannot be used, example in freezing conditions for certain gas lines. The pipe is sealed using the test plugs or bunks, and pressure with air. The pressure is measured using a manometer to ensure it holds, because if the water is used means we can use different methods, but if you use the gas means it can use the air pneumatic testings, because how much gas we are inserting, that much gas we have to get output by using the pressure gauges. If it is not get that much means there is a leakage in the middle of the pipe. So we have to test the pipe by using of pneumatic, by using pneumatic, and that is air pneumatic testing. And destructive non-NDT. During the manufacturing, pipes undergo ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, and or destructive test. Example: tensile and flattering test, to ensure the materials meet structural elements. That the manufacturing itself, we can get the destructive non-destructive testing by using the ultrasonic testing and radiographic testings. Destruction test to prevent the leakages. It may be both pressure as well as water to carry from pipe from input to inlet to outlet, from one place to another place, because it is a transportation for water as well as gas from one place to another place. Even it is take longer distance or shorter distance, because from one country to another country now we are transferring the water from one place to another place without any proper leakages. So so after carrying out all testing, we are carrying the water from one place to another place as well as the gases. How to conduct basic air pressure test. If you are testing new plumbing or drainage pipes, seal the openings and connect the gauges, pressurize systems, and find the leak. Because if the pressure is leakages in somewhere else means the full pressure we can't get in the output. So we can get that where pressure is leaking, and also where the pressure is minimizing, we can get the pressure leakages. At the time we can identify the damages in the pipe. To avoid the damages, we can test the air pressure test to confirm the non-leakages of the pipe, to make the water flow from one place to another place without any leakages. So this hydrostatic testing. Hydrostatic testing is mostly carried out to the foreign countries like UK and US and Germany. Before transferring the pipes to public, the test is carried out. To minimize the water loss. There may be both loss, major loss and minor loss. The major loss should be tested by this, and minor loss it cannot be identified, but it can be reduced from a larger point to lower point. And we cannot test by using the public people. We can only test before, at the time of testing, at the time of manufacturing. So they can test the pipe with the proper management and arrangements. So we can adjust the pipe by using the different methods, as well as we can connect the pipe in the different areas, so that we can modify the water, and also we can transfer the water from one place to another place at any type of conditions. But the temperature, if it increases means the water can be evaporate. That losses cannot can't be reduced. So only the pipe leakages can be reduced by this methods, this three methods, that is hydrostatic pressure and pneumatic pressure, and and third one is the air pressure testings. So these are the different types of pressures and different methods of leakage testing in the pipe to minimize the losses in the pipes. To minimize the loss in the pipes. So we have to do the testings to avoid the leakage in the pipes. Thank you, and we can follow before using these methods. So it is important for carrying testing before laying of any pipes.